Welcome children to the lecture 3 of microorganism. This is Vikesh. In the last lecture we have already discussed about the vaccine. Here is a definition of vaccines: a mild form of disease that is injected into a person or an animal's body using a needle in order to protect the body against that diseases. For explaining that, I have given you one example. Then when you start playing a game, there are three levels: easy, medium and hard. So first of all, which level you will choose? Definitely easy one, to understand how to play and how to fight against the enemies. Similarly, vaccine is also same. With the help of vaccine, they inject mild disease causing microorganism like bacteria or virus inside in your body of same disease. Because they are mild, means easy, so your body start forming antibody against these diseases, and your body understand that how to fight against diseases. These antibody fight and destroy the disease causing microorganism and remain in the body to fight future infection by the same microbes. For understand that how the antibodies will work, I will give you one example. Same, I will give you an example of game because you are much fond of a game. So I will give you, when you play a game, you fight with your enemy in the game, and suddenly at a moment you out. Now what happened when you start play again? When you start play the game and you reach at the same point where you out, you are very careful and you play very carefully, and you will win the level of that game without out. Why? Because you remember. Same, antibodies is also remember the disease causing microorganism. When they will attack again inside in your body, these antibody remember the microorganism and start fighting against these microorganism and protect your body from falling sick. So these antibodies are very important because they are inside the blood. That's why they can float against the along with the blood, so they can reach every part of your body. Why blood? Because it can circulate everywhere. Just like army patrolling on the border to protect India from enemies, same these antibodies also protect you. Now what is the definition of antibody? A substance that the body produce in the blood to fight against diseases is called antibodies. So with the help of vaccine, we will inject antibodies inside in your body. Thus vaccines help in preventing disease causing by microorganisms just like cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, hepatitis. All these can be prevented by vaccination. The first vaccination will be introduced by the Edward Jenner in the 1798 for the smallpox. So Edward Jenner was the first scientist who discovered vaccine for smallpox in 1798. Okay, so here I am giving you one worksheet which can help you to understand this lecture better. Read these questions and find out the answer from my lecture and write down in a notebook. Thank you.